Hello beasts, my name is Ben Buster Beast, and today I have a quick and easy guide for you guys on how to get the Savage Impailer or the NX Shadowclaw in Dead of the Night. And so this is actually a pretty decently easy quest. I'd recommend going for it every game because it is very useful against the vampires. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find 6 little tiny candles around the map and you want to knife them to make them go out. So the first one is here in the music room. Just knife that. It could take a couple tries. It's kind of stingy. The second one is in this hallway right over here, right outside of the billiards room. So just knife them. It should make the noise and go off. Then their third one is in Alistair's bedroom. Should make that noise and then it should go out. It doesn't go out in this clip because I'm in theater mode, and so there's a couple of visual glitches, but just know it will go out and it will make an activation noise. This one is really difficult to get, but that's the next one you knife. And then this one is right here in the hallway leading to dining hall. And then there's one more, and this one's going to be up top right above the library, right next to this couch over here. I'm just going to knife that, and then it'll go out, and then you're done with this step. So then next, you can go into the forest, and there should be a graveyard at the very bottom with some water at the bottom. And you want to hold X on the tombstone, and it should give you this little visual effect. It looks kind of like you're in zombie blood, and this will last for 1.5 to 2 minutes. And you want to run around the map and find the ghost that's hiding somewhere. She could be in the music room, she could be in the cellar. I found her in the dining hall in this game, but I've also found her up on one of the balconies. And you just want to follow her again. If your little zombie blood mode runs out, then you just have to go back in the next round to go get some more zombie blood, or have a teammate go get that, and then just come back over here and continue following her, because she will disappear once you go outside this mode. So once you take her into the graveyard, she'll go up there and it will deactivate this this visual mode, although it doesn't in my game because it's just a theater glitch. And then she will go inside one of the zombies, and you have to kill them in certain ways, the zombies that she goes inside, and you'll be able to pick up a small little ring. So the first one is you just want to get a normal kill. The second one, I think it's explosive kills. I know that I've seen people say that it's Wraithfire grenade kills. I got the kill with the trap because I had the homunculus, because it doesn't work with the homunculus, so I think it's just explosive kills. But if it's not working for you, then just go ahead and use the trap. The third one, you have to get a kill with your specialist weapon on this green glowing zombie. And then the final one, you want to go and use your shield, and all of the zombies will drop a little ring. So the first one is just a normal kill. The second one is a explosive kill. Third one is with your specialist weapon, and the final one is the shield. And they'll all drop the rings, and then you want to go into the center of the mausoleum, and there should be 4 circles on the ground. You want to hold X on each of these circles to place each of the rings in there, and then it should create a bigger white circle that goes around through all of them. And now what you want to do is you want to kill a certain amount of vampires in here. I think it took me about maybe 8 or 9 vampires, not sure. But every time you kill the vampire, it'll give you an activation noise. It sounds sort of like the vampire screeching. So once you kill enough of them, you'll know, because you'll get another activation noise that's kind of a deep growlish sort of thing, and the white circle will turn blue. So once this white circle turns blue, you want to go down to a tombstone that's on the bottom right of the stairs. And you want to go up to it and hold X. It should open up, and then you can go down there and pick up the Savage Impailer, also the NX Shadowclaw. And so this thing is actually really good. Once you pick it up, the door will close behind you, and you'll have to kill a certain amount of vampires to progress and get back out of there. It's not that difficult if you have the Chaos Theory or Alistair's Annihilator. Just shooting a couple charge shots will work. And this thing is actually pretty good. It'll always one-shot vampires on any round, including the Crimson vampires, which is really good. And it's okay against the zombies. It was a one-shot headshot up to around 22. After that, I have no idea. But it's not good against body shots on the zombies. Like, do not go for body shots on the zombies. It sucks. But it was a one-shot headshot. I'm not sure how long it's a one-shot headshot, but yeah. Just know that. You cannot pack-a-punch this gun, but there is probably going to be an upgrade soon in the future, and if that comes out, then I'll make a video on that. But yeah, I'll just have a little bit of gameplay at the very end to show you that this thing is a one-shot headshot. It's up to around 22. I don't know anything after that. Could be till around 50, could be till around 100. I really don't know. But this is mainly for the vampires, you know, just a one-shot kill on the vampires. And then, of course, it's also got over 300 bullets, which is really good. So I'd recommend using that. So yeah, beasts, my name is Ben Buster Beast. And yeah, bye.